Good morning, everyone. This video is a brief tutorial on how to complete today's assignment. The assignment is IXL, Heating, Cooling, and Changes of State. When you get that link, you click on it, and it will take you to this page. Okay. You can click on the microphone to have something read.
The arrows in the picture below show changes of state. Select the change of state that can be caused by heating.
And so we have to remember heating and cooling, which is which. Heating is typically when an object gets more energy, and cooling is when an object has less energy. So the energy levels are changing. So if you were to heat a liquid up or a gas up, which one shows the heating process? Does a gas condense to get hotter to become a liquid, or does liquid become hotter through vaporization to become a gas? You might remember, but if you don't, you can check for those processes in the slides that I am sharing with you here. You can open up the slides and it reviews each phase change: melting, vaporization, condensing, and freezing. Vaporization, liquid to gas, heat is added to boil the liquid water to make steam. Condensing, heat is lost, the matter cools for a gas to become a liquid. So those are kind of our reviews there. And which one is caused by heating or when energy is added? We know that it's vaporization. And you repeat the process through level 1, all those different examples. One thing to add before going to the next level, the arrows will change, and so you have to be very careful in reading the arrows, what they say, and also keeping track of, is this change caused by cooling or is it caused by heating? Cooling is energy lost, heating is energy gained. In the second stage, it's just like the first, except now we have all three phases of matter in, and we have those changes of matter labeled by our arrows. So you have to click 2 changes of state that are caused by heating. So when we check here, we have to remember melting, heat is added, vaporization, boiling or evaporating, heat is added. Condensing and freezing are both where heat is lost or the matter is cooling. See, we can see heat is lost here, heat is lost here. The matter is cooling. So we know melting and vaporizing are caused by heating. You have to click on both. You repeat that process, making sure to check your arrows and what those phase changes are. You have cooling, so which two arrows represent the matter cooling. You repeat to complete stage 2. Stage 3 is a lot like stage 2, except now you do not have the arrows telling you what the phase change is. So you have to be looking at the arrows to where they point. Okay? When changes of matter occur that are caused by heating, we have to keep in mind energy is going up, so we have to look at these end stages. We have solid to the left, gas to the right. Which one has the most energy? Which one has the least energy? Matter, if it's all the same, gases have the most energy. Solids have the least energy. So in order to get from the least amount of energy to the highest amount of energy, we click on our right arrows. However, when it's cooling, check your arrows. You have to go from the highest amount of energy to the lowest amount of energy. Make sure you're tracking your arrows and tracking where your phases are. You're still picking 2 arrows. This last level includes two new phase changes, sublimating and depositing or deposition. You can already see the arrows telling you what the phase changes are. Sublimation is from a solid to a gas, deposition is from a gas to a solid. And you can check it in our slides here as well. Sublimation is from a solid to a gas. Sublimation is when a solid heats up so quickly it becomes a gas. When it heats up, that means it's getting energy. And you can even click on this video to watch the sublimation of dry ice. Dry ice is carbon, the same stuff that gives our sodas that bubbly kind of fizzy flavor. Deposition is when a gas cools down so quickly to become a solid. It cools very, very quickly, skipping the liquid phase entirely. This is a lot like when frost forms in our windows or grass outside. And so which of these processes are caused by heating? We remember that melting and vaporizing are caused by heating, but which of those processes are caused by heating? We double check. Sublimation, solid to a gas, a solid heats up so quickly, that gives us a reminder that solid to gas sublimating is caused by heating.
The arrows in the picture below show changes of state. Select the 3 changes of state that can be caused by heating.
And so we should be good. And we are. Your job to read through each level. Let me know as I look forward to seeing your results and seeing our learning. If you need your if you need your IXL username or password at any time, please let me know and I will email you or private message you your information as soon as